dive right into the heart of Jordan Peterson's ninth rule for life. Assume that the person you are listening to might know something you don't. This rule calls us to approach conversations with an open mind, ready to learn, and fosters humility. It's not about winning or losing an argument, it's about understanding and growing. This rule can transform our relationships, promoting respect and open-mindedness. So the essence of this rule lies in embracing humility and fostering a learning attitude. Now let's delve into the psychological implications of this rule. At its core, it's a powerful tool for reducing cognitive biases. Take confirmation bias, for example. This is our tendency to seek out and favor information that confirms our existing beliefs. By listening to others' perspectives, we challenge this bias head-on, opening ourselves to a wider range of information and experiences. Next, consider active listening. This isn't merely about hearing words, it's about understanding, interpreting, and responding. It's a fundamental skill in psychology, fostering empathy and connection. Finally, let's not forget the importance of respect for diversity. In our diverse society, every perspective is a piece of the larger puzzle, a unique contribution to understanding the world. Thus, the rule is not just about listening, but about learning and growing as individuals in a complex, diverse world. As we wrap up, let's quickly revisit the essence of Peterson's ninth rule. It encourages us to listen with the intent to understand, not just to respond. This rule promotes humility, respect, and learning, while helping to reduce cognitive biases. By embracing this rule, we open ourselves up to new perspectives and ideas, fostering personal growth. Remember, each conversation is an opportunity to learn and grow. So, the next time you converse, keep Peterson's ninth rule in mind.